In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a HubSpot user's email address. If you're managing users in HubSpot and need to update someone's email, you've come to the right place. This guide is designed to be quick and easy to follow, and we'll walk through each step together. First and foremost, let's head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in HubSpot, or entering the URL directly if you have it handy. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login option. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked login, you'll be directed to the HubSpot login page. Here you'll need to enter your credentials, including your email and password, to access your HubSpot account. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're logging into the correct one. Once logged in, you're going to be taken to the HubSpot home screen. This is your main dashboard where you can access all of your tools and settings. From this dashboard, locate the settings option. You can typically find this in the top right corner of the screen. Click on settings to proceed. Now that you're in the settings area, look for the security section. It's crucial as it comprises all account related security settings, including email management. Click on security to expand the options available under this category. Within the security settings, you'll see an option labeled Edit Email Address. This is the specific feature we are targeting for changes today. Click on it, and a new window or section will appear where you can input the new email address. Once you've entered the new email address, HubSpot might prompt you to confirm your changes. Ensure the new email is correct before proceeding, as this will be the new primary contact email for the user. Sometimes a verification email might be sent to the new address to complete the process, adding an extra layer of security. And that's it, you've successfully changed the HubSpot user's email address. These steps are straightforward, and following them correctly should make the whole process a breeze. If you ever need to update another user's email, you'll now know exactly what to do. This task doesn't just update contact information, it helps maintain efficient communication within your teams, ensuring that the right people have access to the right tools at all times. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Happy managing in HubSpot, and we'll see you in the next one.